Bruce Goat, idol kita Bruce Goat. Sana manalo kami sa inyo. Okay, mga boss, gusto namin ng Flying Clouds.
Beast na si Ingo. Nakasalagi sa kanilang dalawa yon kung sino makaka-ready ng maayos. Pero zone-wise, pareha silang may ability to do so. Searching Eagle.
Okay, nandiyan pa rin naman. Sige, kung makakakuha the turtle, even though there's the detail para sa TS Vision, nandito ng mga members ng Super Fam. Pero di yata mukha enough ang information na yun. At ngayon, sasapat yung advantage na meron ng Onyx PH taking down JP as well. Ngayon, si Carl Dizzy naman nasusundan. There's going to be the Dark Wave and further pursuit para kay Carl Dizzy goes all down.
At hindi nakakatakot dito para sa Onyx PH na mag-initiate kasi nandyan si Brusco. Nandyan si Brusco.
Can argue na isa pa rin ang Lancelot sa best.
Naku. Uy, solo kill onto Sanford and escape onto the hands of Super Friends. At ngayon yung Mountain
Delikado
Shocker
si Kevra.
gagamitin ni Carl Dizzy. He knows there's an
Si Carl.
incoming damage and as well as danger. Pero he can do nothing but stare down the Super Friends.
Artillery doon sa kanyang feathered airstrike. It is because pinipreoccupy nila si JP at si Sanford, even OM
Ay, pwede
forced
pa isa.
down.
Okay, kakasabi ko pala na pwede pa yung isa ngayon na mapipilitan na mag-backout.
Si Brusco para i-save siya. Inside the turret yan ha. And now, ganun na naman yata yung gagawin nila against Cavalry.
Naku, tinamaan ng Dark Wave dito si Sanji. Is going to be chased down. Naalatag yung Feather Dark para hindi mamamaximize dito ni Super Friends. Kabilang banda na makakasayaw dito si OM. This is what we're talking about. Proper layer na Yep, and considering na incoming na on all lanes ang atake ng Onyx PH Lord. Problema rin nila pero may King Kong sa harap. Nag-aabang na ng pwede target and JP nangangaray. Revitalize and activate na rin. Perfect position para sa kanya Feather Dark dito kay Super Friends. Kaya with a double kill. This might be it as Onyx PH slowly turns down. Wipe out the Maniac for Kera finishing off game number 3.
Oh. Grabe naman talaga ang mga fans mo, King Kong.
Ay, pwede.
Oy.
Next pose. Ay, pwede.
Very
Okay.
flexible artist pala to si Keller.
I like it. Pero going back to this game, I managed to almost